Where is the WPS button on a T-Mobile Home Internet? So T-Mobile Home Internet Gateway do not have a WPS button. So if a printer, camera, or extender says to press a WPS, you will need to use another method. Of course, on any version, they don't have the WPS. So you have many ways basically to connect other than WPS. First of all, uh, you can check as an example the back of the gateway. You may see Ethernet ports, power ports, and reset buttons, but there's no WPS button. So you would like to use the Wi-Fi password instead. You will have to connect your device manually. You'll have to open your Wi-Fi settings, select your T-Mobile Wi-Fi name, and enter the Wi-Fi password on any device that you want to connect because there is no WPS. So if your device only supports WPS, you will need to use some workarounds. Like you will need to connect your own router to T-Mobile Gateway, then use a router that has a WPS button to connect, for example, the printer or device to that router instead. So that's basically where the WPS button is on the T-Mobile internet. There is no WPS button on the T-Mobile gateway. You can use the Wi-Fi name and password to connect. And if there's just the WPS option, you'll need to use another connected the router to the T-Mobile gateway. And yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.